Eckstein.
Hi, Brian Kennedy, a resident here in Collier County and of Ave Maria, Florida. And I am here today to call on you to enact a one-year moratorium on data centers being built here in Collier County. While hyperscale data centers may seem like a necessary response to growing demands, technology evolves rapidly. The more advanced technology becomes, the smaller and more efficient it gets. These massive facilities could one day soon become obsolete, leaving behind enormous industrial structures while beautiful Florida landscape once stood. The issue is emotionally charged, I grant that, but the decision of this magnitude should not be based on emotion, they should be based on facts. The fact is Florida is simply not a suitable environment for hyperscale data centers. Our climate works against them. Florida is the lightning capital of the nation. A lightning strike can cause catastrophic power failures and ignite fires, placing additional demands on firefighters. Hurricanes, severe thunderstorms, flooding, and wind-related power outages. These facilities operate 24/7, 365. When outages occur, whose power gets restored first? The hyperscale data center or the residents here in Collier County? Data centers operate efficiently with humidity between 40 to 60%. Our humidity is a lot higher than that, as you may know. The force of the cooling systems to work stronger to have to cool down the facility due to this. Beyond our climate, we simply do not have the natural resources to support facilities of this scale. Hyperscale data centers consume up to 5 million gallons of water per day, roughly the water needs of 50,000 people. We have burn bans, water restrictions, those sorts of things all the time here. Our aquifers already depleted across much of Florida, and yet we're now putting an enormous demand if one of these centers is built here in Collier County. The proposed hyperscale data centers largely target rural parts of counties, which is why I made the mention of Ave Maria. That particular region would be a prime location to have one of these facilities due to the enormous size of which the land requires to build it. A lot of times these companies will ask for rezoning because they buy out old agricultural land or other rural land that is no longer in use. And so you guys here at the County Commission have a prime opportunity to put some good ordinances and guide rails in place to protect citizens here in Collier County. Many counties have already passed a moratorium. You wouldn't be the first one. And there already are hyperscale data centers being proposed. There's been 4 so far that we know of that have been proposed here in Florida. 1 has been stopped so far due to the locality commission in question. The other 3 are proceeding forward so far, but many counties across the state of Florida have already passed some form of moratorium. Thank you.
Thank you. Your next speaker is Richard Eckstein. He'll be followed